The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 meters and its length is 3 times its width. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? Na-emphasize dito yung polygon, which is rectangle. Let us always remember, different ang formula ng perimeter of a rectangle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, and other shapes. Now, since we're talking about rectangle, ito yung formula niya. Perimeter of a rectangle. Where P is equal to 2 times width plus 2 times length. Now, according to the description, the perimeter of a rectangle is 40 meters daw. So, given na yung perimeter. Okay, 40 meters. And its length is 3 times its width. So, since ito man yung width, okay? Pero si length, according sa sinabi dito sa statement, si length daw is 3 times its width. Ibig sabihin, 3 times natin si width. Okay, 3 times natin si width. Okay? Then, simplify muna tayo. 40 2W plus 3 times 2, 6W. Then, add. So, this is 8 width, 40. Then, get the value of the width. Okay? Over 8. Over 8. Okay? 40 divided by 8, that's 5. So, meaning, yung width natin pala ay 5. 5 meters. Okay, encircle muna natin yan. Nakuha na natin yung value ng specific width ng rectangle. How about yung length? Okay? Sa length natin, copy yung formula. 2 times width plus 2 times length. Tapos, ito naman si 5, which is, yan nga yung width ng rectangle, isubstitute natin dito. 2 times 5. Okay, ito man yun. Plus 2 times length. And then, i-copy natin yung perimeter na 40. Okay? So, 40 equals 2 times 5, that's 10, plus 2 times length. Okay? Now, combine the alike terms. Ito yung mga constant. Okay, 40, ito yan. Okay? Negative 10 or minus 10 equals 2L. Okay? Then 2L. 40 minus 10, that's 30. Okay. Over 2. Over 2. Okay, cancel. Ang natira ay L. 30 divided by 2. We have 15. So, ito na yung length ng rectangle natin. Now, paano natin malaman kung tama yung sagot? Siyempre, through checking. Okay, change ko yung color. Sa checking natin, let's copy again the formula, of course. Where P, or perimeter, is equal to 2 times width plus 2 times length. Then, isubstitute itong mga W at L, or width and length. Remember, meters yan ha. Ito meters. Kasi ito man yung nakalagay dyan na unit. Okay. Yung perimeter natin is 40. Then, 2 times, ano yung W? 5. Plus 2 times, yung L natin, 15. Okay? Copy. 40 equals 2 times 5, that's 10. Then plus 2 times 15, that's 30. Then 40. 40. 40 is equal to 40. 40 is equal to itself. Okay, true. Meaning, our dimensions natin, no? Sa rectangle, yung width is 5, and then yung length is 15. Mga meters yan. Okay, so the final answer will be written like this. Okay, final answer, dapat ganito ang pagkasulat. Pag width, 5 meters, and then yung length, 15 meters. Okay.